Hi, pre-K friends. I have a math book. It's a math story. It's called Plant Patterns. And since we're talking about seeds and flowers and plants and how things grow, let's look at patterns in the plants. This book is written by Nathan Olson and published by Capstone Press. Here we go. Plant patterns. What is a pattern? A pattern is made by a repeated shape or color. Let's look for patterns in the world of plants. Four-leaf clovers. It's a pattern. Same shape, same color. Each of these trees looks exactly like the others. Trees trimmed to look the same make a pattern. Plants trimmed into green leafy animal shapes, they look really fun, but they're not a pattern. There are color patterns in our flowers. Bleeding heart flowers, they bloom in a color pattern. Each pink flower repeats the same white stripe. Rows and rows of tulips, all the same color, make a single color pattern. Rows repeat themselves, the same color rows. Gardeners can make patterns by the way they plant different colored flowers. Look at the pattern by how they planted the colors of the flowers. Rows and ring patterns. Rows of prickly spines on a cactus make a repeating pattern. Look very closely. Do you see a star pattern? Rows of stars. Farmers plant rows of corn, and the tops of corn grow into a pattern of tassel tops. But if you look really closely, you will see that each ear of corn has its own repeating pattern, rows of yellow kernels. Bamboo can grow as tall as a tree, but really it's a grass. A pattern of rings and circles, each green stalk. Rings and circles, rings and circles. Tree trunks grow their own patterns. Every year the tree adds a new ring to its pattern. Wildly wonderful patterns. Before they scatter, dandelion seeds burst into a pattern of tiny stars. You might have some in your yard. A sunflower yellow petals grow in a pattern around the blossom inside. Seeds in the middle of the sunflower swirl in a pattern of green and gold. You wouldn't want to sit on a Halosnosia. Its leaves repeat a very pointy red shape. When a Venus flytrap snaps shut, a pattern of spiny hairs helps trap its food inside its mouth. Plants sprout many patterns of stripes and spots and colors and shapes. Triangles, circles, rectangles, shapes and colors. So when you go out and you see flowers or plants or trees, look and see if you can see a pattern. Mystery Math. Until next time, see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.